In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cyberghost VPN on Android in 2025. This guide is designed to help you get started quickly, ensuring that your online activities are private and secure. So let's dive right in. To begin, head over to the official Cyberghost VPN website. This is your starting point for downloading and accessing all Cyberghost services. The website is user-friendly, offering a straightforward way to navigate through their VPN options. Once there, you will want to locate the My Account section. Clicking here will redirect you to a login page. Next, you need to click on the Login button. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If you're new to Cyberghost, you'll need to create an account. This involves registering with your email and setting up a password. Remember, using a strong password is crucial for maintaining your account's security. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Cyberghost Home section. From the Cyberghost Home, proceed to the Download Hub. This is where you can find all available applications for different platforms. Just look for the VPN download options that are compatible with your device. Here, you should choose Mobile Apps, since we're focusing on setting up the VPN on an Android device. After selecting Mobile Apps, your next step is to click on the Android option. This will take you to a new page dedicated to Android devices, where you'll find a prompt to download the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your Android device. Once installed, the app will ask for necessary permissions. Be sure to review these carefully and grant them to ensure the app functions correctly. Now with the app installed, open it up. You'll be prompted once again to log in. Use the same credentials you used for the Cyberghost website. After logging in, you may want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's interface. It's intuitively designed, making it easy to navigate. At this stage, you can choose a server location. Cyberghost provides a vast array of server locations globally to choose from, depending on your needs, whether it's bypassing geo-restrictions or simply enhancing your privacy. Tap on a server to connect, and you're ready to securely browse the web. To recap, you've successfully visited the Cyberghost website, accessed your account, navigated to the Download Hub, and installed the app on your Android device. Now you can enjoy a secure browsing experience with just a few clicks. And there you have it. Using Cyberghost VPN on your Android device in 2025 is as simple as that. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.